In this video, we will demonstrate how to set and use gesture navigation on your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. Let's begin. Head to Settings, and from there navigate to Display. Now look for the navigation bar and tap on it. Once inside, tap to select the swipe gestures, and you have successfully shifted to gesture navigation. You can tweak the sensitivity of the back gesture by tapping on More options and toggle on the ability to swipe in from either of the bottom corners to trigger Google Assistant. And that's pretty much it. You are now a proud user of gesture navigation on your Samsung Galaxy device. This video is guaranteed to help you make the most of gesture navigation on your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.